Trevi Fountain, Rome. The fountain into whose more or less limpid waters tourists throw coins for luck and as a bribe to the gods for an early return. It used to be a real bonanza for the Holy City's urchins, until inevitably, you might say, the city fathers identified the Golden Rain as another source of revenue. Now, every Tuesday at the ungodly hour of 5 a.m., the municipal refuse officers make their weekly collection. Under the watchful eyes of two guardians of the municipal coffers to see that no pieces of luck go astray. The tourists still throw coins in the fountain, but things can never be the same, can they? Instead of an offering to the gods, it's more like a contribution to the rates. At the Benedictine Abbey at Ottobrunn, West Germany, the third